Looking for a highly equipped performance sedan with all the right options and reliability? Take a look at this 2019 Subaru WRX STi in Ice Silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear sports spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, configurable drive models, split folding rear seats, 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5611A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.